Welcome to our channel. Are you excited to learn how to clone and edit any website without any coding experience? Today I'll show you how to do just that, and even how you can publish it to earn money. It's common for clients to provide a sample website or reference a running website and request a similar design with some modifications to the title, logo, and pictures, often within a short time frame. Coding a similar website from scratch can take a lot of time and skill, but I'm here to teach you a much simpler way to achieve this in just a few easy steps. Let's get started with this step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to watch the entire video to fully grasp this valuable skill I'm about to share with you. Step 1. Have the URL of the sample website ready. You can copy the URL of any website by opening it in your browser and copying it from the address bar. Step 2. Go to Google and search for Toolsbug. Open the toolsbug.com website and click on Website Copier. Alternatively, you can use the link provided in the description to directly access the Toolsbug website copier. Step 3. Enter the URL of the website you want to clone. Select the option up to 50 pages, one level free, and click on the right arrow. The website will start downloading. Once the download is complete, save the files to your computer. Step 4. Extract the files from the zip folder by right-clicking on it and choosing Extract All. Open the extracted folder and click on the HTML file. You should now see the website running on your computer. Step 5. Now, I'll teach you how to modify the structure and design of the website as you wish. For this, you'll need to download and install a software called Blue Gryphon. The link to download this free software is provided in the description. Step 6. Open the Blue Gryphon software. Go to the File menu in the top menu bar and choose the downloaded HTML file. Step 7. Switch to the WYSIWYG tab at the bottom menu. Here, you can change the title, text, and other elements of the sample website. Save the file once you're done. You can also use the Source tab to change images and other elements directly from the source code. By following these steps, you can easily clone any website and customize it to meet your requirements, all without any coding experience. This method is perfect for creating a portfolio website by cloning a design you love. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful skills, tips, and tricks. Thank you for watching.